Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. This is my first YouTube video and hopefully it's a good one. We are playing some loadout. This is my character right here. Show you my weapons first. So this is my main weapon, the death combo, because I hit them with a quick one of this, switch out to my python, and they're dead immediately. So let's get into some games now. Play some casual. So this is my first YouTube video, so down in the comment section, please tell me how to improve and how to get better, because that's my main goal, just to get better. Pretty sweet music going on. Alright, let's play Blitz. So on this channel, mostly it's just going to be a random assortment of games. This isn't just a loadout channel. This is just what I was in the mood to play. So if you want me to play a game, just say it in the comment section and we'll do my best to play that game. It's me right there, the acidic gamer. Take a pretty long time. So we got Fatty, Mick Balls, HPM, and cannot see the other person. Death combo and the python.
5, 4, 3.
Oh, watch him one die in like 5 seconds. Oh, caught it. Stores just ripped my spinal cord out.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
I really like this game since it's not realistic. It's supposed to be wacky. You're gonna be destroyed. Oh, got some lag going on. Alright. So we are playing jackhammer, my least favorite game type.
The enemy has dropped the hammer.
I am using the salvo rockets, which allows me to shoot all of them at once. Lobbed and fire, and I am dead.
The hammer has been returned.
Oh, come on. Oh, tag alpha. Oh, this guy's about to get rocketed. Nope, just rocketed my own mouth. I'm probably...
The enemy has stolen
Nope, I'm still alive. Oh, their whole team is right there, except for the one person behind me with their hammer. I really like this because I just like how the hammer is a very devastating weapon, and it's not like the flag carrier or hammer carrier has to wait for the other team for support. Just a new twist on the game type. well, I have to say my favorite part of this game is the customizable part. It's just great. Being able to fight a guy with your own specialized weapon as he uses his own is just great. Nope. There you go. I don't feel like any certain type overpowers the other, which keeps the gameplay great. Oh, you shouldn't have came here. Should not have came here. Yep, I'm gonna die. Suicide! Suicide! Come on. Is he on fire? No, he made it. I always forget to use my grenades. They are so powerful in this game, but I always forget to use them. Get that hammer out of here. So I was thinking about also trying some Minecraft out, like play some Hunger Games, some The Walls. Just tell me in the comment section what you would like me to do, and I'll do it. Oh, that guy's dead. There goes my first kill. 1 in 6. I am doing great. And I am jumping like I'm on the moon from this lag. Oh. Oh.
Your team has taken the hammer.
Oh. Oh. Alright. Thanks to low better now. I love how it says I have 4 bars. Clearly do not.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh,
The enemy has
nope.
dropped the hammer. Your hammer has been...
So I made a pretty bad mistake when I first started playing this game. Spent all my blutes, which is the currency in this game, spent all my blutes on trying to make a sniper rifle. A one-shot kill sniper rifle. So, figured out pretty hard to sniper this game from everyone jumping around like Neil Armstrong. So I feel like since everyone's jumping around, it's best to use a rocket launcher. So first 20 games I played, I was stuck with a horrible sniper rifle and had no blutes. Does it still say I have 4 bars? Yes, it does. Didn't switch weapons, but alright. You're gonna die before me. You're gonna die before me. Grenades. Grenades. Blow up.
Your team has captured the hammer.
Blow up. You're dead. Alright, let's see if I can take this. Oh, nope, nope. Nope, push the wrong button. Alright, guess I just assist you. Sparky light. It's got the hammer. Better run before they are better. Alright, this guy. So that's like the best thing about my rocket. It just lights them on fire, burns them. If you don't get the kill, you get a pretty sweet assist. Can't complain. Oh, just gonna shoot that over there. So you might see me shoot just random rockets. That's because I'm like using a salvo trigger. So since I'm using that, if I hold it too long, it just automatically makes me shoot. Like there. I was waiting for him to peek out. Oh, gonna come beside me. Oh, you're dead. Oh, get back. Oh, where are you at? Show yourself. Oh, and he's gonna capture that.
The enemy has dropped the hammer. The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh, you're dead. So that's just to see that happen. The game just really is.
Your team has dropped the hammer.
Reloading.
The opposing team's hammer
Oh,
has been
where you
returned.
going, dude? Where are you going? Oh, oh,
Team has
oh,
taken the hammer.
oh, oh,
The enemy has dropped the
oh.
hammer.
Just shot myself again.
Your hammer
See, that's 4 bars? Yes, I do. 4 bars. I think that's a pretty bad lie. Alright, let's see. So, dude, you probably should want to go capture that. Whoa! Now I see why you didn't go this way. Didn't even get to see my killer. So I was thinking about doing a Smite video after this. So after this one is uploaded, I will start uploading a Smite video. Oh, I actually hit something. Witchcraft. Oh, 360, 180. Yep. Yeah, I'm not really that good at this game. 1 in 9.
The enemy has captured the hammer.
So I got this new game called Dota. Pretty bad at it. Pretty suck. Played 3 games, and every game my teammate was yelling at me, telling me to leave the game because I was so bad. I would never play that game again in my life. I suck at it. So, yeah. Quick tip, don't play as a sniper and try to punch a warrior in the face. Doesn't work. Oh, double kill. That's my second kill. Too good. Oh, I got the hammer.
The enemy has stolen
Got the hammer. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're dead too. Killed the boyfriend. What's that mean? Oh, oh. So I just doubled my score with this hammer. Or doubled my kills with this hammer. And I'm dead. He did not want me capturing that. We are actually winning. It's bravo to my team. I wish I could go 13-3 and win these games. Oh, I'm flying. Oh, oh, boom! Back off. Oh, I got killed. Oh, I'm still alive. Thought I burnt up and died.
The enemy has stolen that hammer.
Well, probably 360 then. Random shot. Is it gonna hit anybody? Nope. Nope. There's the guy with our hammer. Shot myself in the face again. So I was thinking about pitting the Wilm scream. I was thinking about putting a hexa barrel on the end of this, which gives me 6 rockets. How are we going to do that?
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
And I also like these games because it's not like a quick 5-minute game is over. It's nice, long, that war. Oh, killed him. Oh, that was a horrible shot. Grenade! Grenade!